front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Library at the bottom. Either way, after locating your photos that you wish to delete, hold one of them and then use those type of dots at the top right corner to select multiple. If you want to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin icon at the bottom of Photos section or the same one at the top of Library 1. Then hit OK and select Move to Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!